Welcome to Ragavacreations. Maths is easy. Let's learn maths in an easy and interesting way. Do subscribe our channel to get more updates on the previous videos of integers, of multiplication, addition and subtraction. Do check the description box for the link. Today we are going to learn about Standard 7 Maths, Chapter 1 Number System, which deals with the division of integers. Welcome, dear students. Let's go into the exercise. Before that, let's learn about the division of integers. Like multiplication, even division rule is the same. When you divide a positive integer with a positive integer, you get positive. You have to divide and put the plus sign. When you divide a minus number with a minus number, you have to divide and put the plus sign. When you divide a positive and a negative integer, divide and put the minus sign. So here, same sign, positive sign. Different sign, negative sign. So the numbers have the same signs and the quotient is positive. So what you have to do is you have to divide. So when same signs are there, the sign becomes positive. 32 divided by 8 is 4. If the numbers have different signs and the quotient is negative, 81 divided by 9 is 9. Plus divided by minus is minus. Let's move on to the exercise sums. Fill in the blanks. Minus 40 divided by 40. So here, what happens here is minus 40 divided by a. We don't know the value here, so I'm writing it as a is equals to 40. So if you want to find a, you get minus 40. So a goes to the other side as numerator and 40 comes down as a denominator. So minus 40 divided by minus 40, your answer is minus 1. 25 divided by dash is equals to minus 5. So a. So 25 divided by a is minus 5. So a is equals to 25 divided by minus 5, which is minus 5. Dash divided by minus 4 is 9. So a is equals to, that is a by minus 4 is 9. So a is equals to, division goes to the other side as multiplication. So 9 into minus 4 is minus 36. Here the division number, the denominator is the unknown value. Whereas here the known value is the denominator. That's the reason it goes as a multiplication sign. Minus 62 divided by minus 62. Both the numerator and denominator is the same. So your answer is 1. State true or false. Minus 30 divided by minus 6 is minus 6. 30 divided by 6 is 5. So the statement is false. Minus 64 divided by minus 64 is 1 and not 0. So the statement is false. Okay, find the value of minus 75 divided by 5. So minus divided by plus, you get a minus sign. 75 by 5 is 15. So your answer is minus 15. Minus 100 divided by minus 20. Minus divided by minus, both negative signs. So you get a positive sign. 100 divided by 20 is plus 5. 45 divided by minus 9. Both the signs are different, so it's a negative sign. 45 divided by 9 is 5. Minus 82 divided by 82. Both are different signs, so you take a negative number. 82 divided by 82 is 1, so your answer is minus 1. The product of two integers is minus 135. If one number is minus 15, find the other integer. So one integer is minus 15. The product of two integers is minus 135. Let's take the product of two integers, the unknown as m. We have to find the value of one other integer. And one integer is minus 15, which is minus 135. So m is equals to minus 15 goes to the other side of the equal to sign as division. This is multiplication, goes as division. So minus 135 divided by minus 15. Both are same signs, so the answer will be plus. 135 divided by 15 is 9. In 8 hours duration, with uniform decrease in temperature, the temperature dropped 24 degrees. How many degrees will the temperature drop each hour? So the total drop in temperature is 25 degrees. And the duration is 8 hours. Total duration is 8 hours. So drop of temperature or decrease in temperature every hour will be 24 divided by 8. So 3 degrees decrease every hour. So for 8 hours, 24 degrees have reduced. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at a rate of 5 minutes per minute. If the descent starts from 15 meters above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 250 meters? So it has to come down minus 250 meters. So speed of the elevator is 15 meters per minute. Initial point was plus 50, that is above the ground. Since it's given above the ground, it's plus 50. And the final point, they say that's minus 250 meters. That means it's gone 250 meters below the ground. So time is equal to distance by speed. We know the distance by speed. So the distance is 50 plus 250. Why we write plus 250 is it's come to 15 to 0 and again it's got 250 meters below the ground. So that's the reason you calculate the total distance as 15 plus 250 divided by 5. So 265 divided by 5 is 53. So it takes 53 minutes to go down minus 250 meters below the ground. A person lost 4,800 calories in 30 days. If the calorie loss is uniform, calculate the loss of calorie per day. So loss of weight in 30 days is 4,800 calories. So loss of weight in 1 day is 4,800 divided by 30. So you get 160 calories. Then we move on to the objectives. Given 168 into 32 is equals to 5,376. Then find minus 5,736, 376 divided by minus 32. Both are negative numbers, so the answer will be positive, and the other left out is 168. How many minus 4s are there in minus 20? Minus 20 divided by minus 4. Both are minus, so positive number. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Therefore, 5 minus 4s are there in minus 20. Minus 400 divided into 10 equal parts gives. So minus 400 divided by 10 is minus 40. Which of the following does not represent an integer? So here, when you divide 0 divided by 7, you get 0. 20 divided by minus 4 is minus 5. Minus 3 divided by 3 is minus 3. 12 divided by 5 is 2.4. So this is not an integer. Decimal number is not an integer. Minus 16 divided by 4 is the same as 16 divided by minus 4. Because here also you get your answer as minus 4 and here also you can get the answer as minus 4. Minus 200 divided by 10 is minus 20. The set of integers is not closed under division. So already we saw in the beginning itself when we learned about the properties that division is not closed. It does not come under closure property. Thank you for watching Ragavacreations. Maths is easy. Do subscribe our channel, like and share. Hope this video was useful for you, dear children. Thank you for watching Ragavacreations. Maths is